We're going to go to this one quickly. Here, Kate.
I'm reeling, hold on.
Yep,
Oh, that's a big storm.
Big old storm.
Yeah, the motor off front lot. Yeah, off front lot.
You can just stow it. You can just stow it. You can just stow it. It'll go off. Here, Kate. Record right here. You got to record right here.
Hey, this is
Okay, I'll get out.
This is the moment we live for.
pull the black tabs towards you. The black tabs in the
No,
front.
left side, left black tab. No, no, the left right tab. I got
He's got the
the
reel.
left right tab.
Hold this. Hold this.
That's
Take
the
it.
reel?
Yeah, that's the reel.
Huh? It's the reel.
Dude, what about that reel? That thing's got the mojo.
KD catch one yesterday on the other one.
Yeah, but it's the only one, I think.
What black tab were you referring to?
That left, you grab the right black tab, but it's the left one that sticks. Don't worry, Dad's getting the water.
Dad, you thirsty right about now?
I'm gonna get your pistol out on that joke. I'm getting tired of that.
So much activity.
Wow, my shoulder's like flicking every time I pull on him.
Huh?
My shoulder's like flicking every time I put tension on him. It's great.
Can you get behind him? Well, you got that.
I can't stop taking enough to do the thing in the dang. Yo. Oh,
Ow.
Yeah. You can pass them off.
Yeah, you can pass him off.
It still count as your fish.
oh really?
Tell me,
I didn't know we could do that.
you got line up there?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Is it a coon or is it a stingray? He's going that grass flat.
Dude, entire
What a
boat's
head
killing
steak.
me.
I'm just going to kind of feel right here for a minute.
Oh, go forward, go forward.
Give the phone to Mary.
You better start reeling, he's gonna go forward.
Hey, everybody, tell me if I need to go quick now.
No, no.
Is it a coon?
I believe it might be a spinning shark.
Hey, the hammerhead.
This is the one. We gotta have a scale off this.
Yep.
Gotta have a scale. And then Kel's done for the trip. His shoulder's cooked.
Yeah, my shoulder's hurting right now. I already
Bro
really
says
bad.
popping every time he pulls.
Mind over matter. Fight through the pain. Let your pride kick in.
Give me some Tylenol mid-fight.
Pride, respect, and
I totally didn't take any earlier.
Put some respect on his name, Mr. Poon. It's Hendo. Hendo.
We get this one. Sharp's only one.
Well, I'll tell you on the next one. I know about that.
Hey, will you give me your phone?
For what? So we can have 3 videos going again?
No, I'm trying to do pictures.
My phone?
Yeah.
Don't drop it in the lake.
I'm glad this one's actually running. We'll wear him down while he's out there.
Just don't drop it in the lake. Oh, you might be
Hey, this one's gonna take longer to get one down.
Oh, he came off?
Who said that?
Do I need to go at him or what?
No.
No, we're good, we're
Hey,
good.
did I tell you to go forward?
This
No.
guy's an idiot. He just came out here in 15 foot of water or he's whipping.
Whip him, yeah. Yeah, he's whooped.
The further away you stay from him, the better.
Well, did I say go forward?
As long as we got line.
Did he say go forward?
He said, video angle.
Well, you're about like Mom. I'm gonna start pointing and say no.
Wow. 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 He just went there.
Yep, I went there. Huh?
Yeah.
I didn't see you.
Yeah, it's pretty monster. Quit pulling that.
Huh?
Quit pulling that rod right in my
What is
camera
that?
view.
See it to the right. What is that?
I think it might have been your fish. I saw you.
They're on the seat behind you.
He might be about to jump. I don't know where he's at. He's too
Straight
far
out
away.
front, straight out front.
Straight out front. Oh, I see a squirrel.
So I said, what's that to the right?
Don't break the line. See, reach up here with this nice shark and pick that line.
Stupid.
I think Kel might chase you in the water.
He would not be happy.
I'm not in a good mood. I about pushed Kate in the water over scissors earlier.
Alright, we need things to go right on this. They're already going really, really good. Should have him.
Well, you just jinx that. It'll break off in 2 seconds now.
Let's not touch the drag.
Let's just quit talking.
Man, quit. Freaking idiot.
Bro's really ruining the video.
What?
Kel, oh, Poon just rolled right behind the boat right
Throw
there.
mulch on at it.
Get the line out.
2 of them.
Can't. It's gonna be a minute. Dude, my form is literally shaking. Like really.
Hey, hold him up. And like rub him like this. Rub him.
You ain't gonna dance? It's like you're going up.
Just squeeze him and rub it down.
You got on dance, brave boy?
Up here and shake him. It'll get better.
good with it.
Yeah, it will. But don't weigh them. Like put them up on top.
That's what they were.
Let the blood drain out of them.
Is that what happened?
Full of blood, yeah. He was working so hard that body pumping full.
What a head shake.
Tough.
What a head shake by the kid. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's on again.
Oh my god.
Oh man, don't jump in the boat with me.
Well, I didn't do.
Maybe reverse?
That jumper is huge.
Don't stop, sorry. My bad.
Yeah, what was that? Boat.
I'll do that again.
Boat captain. All right, we all right.
I thought you needed quick reverse. My bad. I want to get away from him.
No, stop.
He's trying to do the cheating thing.
No, we good. He's right here in front of the boat.
He thinks he's going to goon us, and I ain't going to let him. I'm going to drag him back up here on this flat. And we'll get
Hey,
out
stop. Stop going backwards. You listen to my commands. You don't. Freaking idiot over here going in forward and reverse going back and forth. Can't just sit still. Hey, you.
This music works. We'll turn it back on.
You just get another water.
I'm drinking electrolyte water right now.
Good.
When I get done with it, I'll probably get a regular one.
Kale's arm's about to fall off.
Yeah, really.
It'll be worth it.
About to get butt
He's
crack
got that
message.
surgery, it'll be worth it.
Yeah, butt crack method. Yeah.
I had
Butt crack
I had
message.
heart surgery the year after I got mine.
Really?
Next year I had to have open heart.
Butt crack message.
Where's the electrolyte at?
Until he does something goony and pops him in the nuts.
Back with a little red pack.
Right here to the.
Spooked him.
Right here.
Spooked his fish. Something like that.
Right here, guys.
Can we get verification that it is a poon?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, no, it's spoon. I've seen his mouth. I've seen his mouth. His mouth is back that big.
It's going. It's going. It's rolling.
That breath.
Yeah, he did get a breath.
Yeah, that's him.
Ooh. This thing's way more similar to mine in Savannah. Except, I don't know, he was way further away when he first jumped. He's large. Yeah, get on them angles. Remember, Kel, if he's head shaking, don't be pulling on him real hard.
Yeah. Just
When
kind of
he's
like
going
when he's
left, pull
dancing.
right. When he's going right, go left. If he's looking at you, don't pull real hard.
You talking too much.
Hey, he's just trying to catch him.
Maybe a little reverse?
Just easy
Oh, no.
reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy. I mean, no. Why would we need hard reverse?
Well, if he's running to the boat and he's hard.
No, we straight.
Say
Uh-oh.
Say one.
We're good.
Like, come off of it.
I know. Just leave it in short, small reverse. Cause the wind was pushing us towards them.
I'm helping.
Yeah, you're actually doing something for the team here.
Hey, right there.
Hey, go straight
Hey,
back.
that way.
I can't. These things don't back up straight. It's like backing a brick.
Hey, Sharp, you don't ever point at my camera again. I got the best footage out here. Absolute Units Fishing. Y'all subscribe.
Oh, lightning. Get that on video?
You better hurry up and get this thing in the boat.
I'm trying, bro.
I mean, we're not getting it in the boat, people.
Past us, it's not coming towards us. Way over there, it's going. No, that is coming at us, actually. Yeah, we gotta finish this up.
I'm trying, bro.
Yeah, that don't look too nice.
Yeah, it's a long ways away. We got time.
Yeah, sure, buddy. That's what they all say. Yeah, whoop the other way. Yeah.
Right there.
I don't have my little map.
See what the radar says about the one we can see with our eyeballs.
God, we better hurry up, Kel. You better start whooping
I
them.
saw the flags, and that's just now the rumble. That's a long way away.
Dude, that was like 2 seconds.
No, that was 30 seconds.
No, it just now flashed again. That was a new thunder.
Oh, okay, hold on. I got the picture. Look at that wall.
Yeah, no, it did not.
It's coming.
God, yeah, it's coming quick.
We got Bimini.
I ain't about no Bimini.
That's just coming at like 7:50,
What time is it? 7:30?
7:40.
Nice.
You got 10 minutes to get this thing whooped.
Yep. You better go ahead and whoop them.
You want to start idling towards the boat ramp?
Bye.
Drag it in?
By 8:30, we in the red.
Hey, go backwards, backwards.
I don't know how far back it might be in the motor.
I ain't in the motor.
Shoulder good?
Nope.
Or a kill clip.
I don't think so. I think it's pretty solid. It's been dieting and exercising. Not. It's been dieting.
No exercise. Well, I did ride my bike a little bit.
You can see him real good right here?
Maybe.
They like that trick, trying to get around the boat and get that lower unit.
Yeah, keep going backwards. He's still coming.
I mean, they love that trick.
Yeah, whoop him. We got a storm coming.
I'm trying, bro.
Hey, why are you going sideways?
Get right from.
Well, yeah, but you turned the wrong way, though.
Come on. I like this.
All right, stop.
Go on this. Thing back like that. Nothing. Doesn't back.
We were going good till you turned.
It just doesn't back. That's the thing.
Trying to balance the weight here.
Not to go around the front here a second.
I'm told we're getting the beans right now.
You're whooping good, buddy. Might as well give up.
Yeah, facts. You're totally whooped.
Might as well go and give up. Let us not get struck by lightning. 15, 16. He's got him pretty high water, though. He's coming up and gulp right there. He's started.
Oh,
He's come up and got him a breath, and now he's bulldogging like a mother.
All right, quit
Now,
reverse. Quit reverse.
Ain't no shame in it. You're injured.
How you gonna get a scale off there?
You got injured.
All right, backwards. I said backwards. Lock in.
Start. Keep away from me. Let's do something else.
Okay. You just take one of them?
Man, I don't like the front of the boat for a video. I need to squat down in front of you or something.
Dude, come on, jump. We ain't getting no video.
That's what I'm saying.
People ain't gonna watch this.
I'll get the angles.
I think it was real covered.
Probably.
All right, pause. Okay, keep reverse. Keep reverse.
Keep reverse?
Yeah.
This might be one of those departments.
Last year. It's 7 footer. Last year, 7 footer.
Oh my God, that storm looks scary. Let me guess, that's that hurricane. Hey, stop reverse. Forward.
Forward through?
Do you want forward?
No, I'm fine.
Never mind, he said he's good. I think you need to pull left.
No, that storm's going that way. We're good.
No, it's coming right for us.
We can run right and get out of it, maybe?
Run.
We have to run to Panama?
Gang, it's all right here.
I know, I know, we got this.
Yeah, we're
Get
cooked.
This fish, get a scale, let him loose, get the hook out of him, then we go to the boat ramp.
This weight's gonna come off and knock my head off. He got another breath. We're cooked.
What's he gonna do?
What are y'all talking about? Are y'all talking about me back there? Y'all aren't taking pictures of my butt, are y'all?
No, we're talking about being quiet and talking and saying certain things.
Yeah, because that makes a great video.
Well, don't say that certain things.
Nah, Evan's favorite part was us talking.
You guys can get all the views.
I just wanted to get this one. So no messing. Kale's not in a messing mood today.
It looks like it's gonna come
We're
right
on a
on up
mission.
now, Phil.
I did this earlier.
Maybe reverse?
Get him,
A
Jimbo.
little late on that call.
Yeah, my fault.
Hurt him, Jimbo.
We're on a mission from God.
We're good.
I don't see him. Come up, buddy. Come up and show your silverness.
Don't hurt him, Jimbo. Get him.
He gonna bite you? Yeah, he's gonna bite me. A little late on the reverse call there.
That's my fault.
He's looking at my lower unit.
I've just been looking at these clouds.
See that prop? He won't speak to it. How about I just drive the boat? That's what they keep trying to do. These are just lay up front of the hole. Just rest. try to get the lower unit. Or anchor line or whatever. He's gonna bite you. He's gonna bite.
Whoop him.
I'm
You
trying,
got these
bro.
pliers back here, Jimbo. Hey, is it a snapping turtle? Could it be a snapping turtle?
Could be.
I think it was a water grass.
At this point, this is gone. We're just trying to get this big old wad of grass up.
Pretty much.
Dude, I think the weeds got it somewhere.
All right, we're good.
You need somebody to help?
We're good.
Jim?
No, he said he's finished in.
Till his arm falls off?
Yep.
He was ate by a shark?
That does not sound good, am I right?
That'd be all right.
Crinkling sound.
Eating your lower unit. That's that alpha right on you. Got alcohol on it. But then flies ain't biting you.
It's just alcohol.
I got some natural stuff in the truck.
Back,
So,
reverse. Cannot wait for my baby bottle pop tonight. Hey, can I get a water?
you need to splice one in your back?
That'd be Dad. Dad would be calling for water 5 minutes into the fight. He'd be like, water me.
Is this one big or what? Dude, this thing's 100 pounds. I want to be sick.
It's not. There's no way.
No, it's bigger than Hundo. God, them clouds look angry.
Yeah,
I need you to hurry up.
I'm trying.
We're good. I'll eat that storm for you to get this Tarpon.
I won't.
I will.
Well, he's a
I
boat
love
captain,
you,
so I guess we're all cooked.
Jade's already got his.
I mean, I'm down. We can get
It's
it.
gloves.
We can get in the hurricane.
It's fully gloves.
I was wondering why I saw 2 videos of hurricane warnings on my phone earlier.
You gonna grab the Tarpon. Fingers in the mouth.
Hey, I don't know if that's the smartest idea.
Yeah, we're basing my tarpon off a shark now.
Love it.
Well, I mean,
Love it.
I mean, Dad was always
you did a
better.
great job last time. I think Sharp might go for it better than
Look,
you did.
we're trying to get his bottom lip.
Coming up or what?
I like it.
Jump.
All your fingers in his mouth.
That or you can take the rod at the end, Phil, and you jump down and grab it.
Look, guns are going
Oh, he just breathed. Pecker.
to have like a jaw ball. One side, one side.
I saw a tail come up.
No, he just breathed.
Yeah, he just breathed again.
He's gonna start. Yeah, he's gonna do some stuff.
You gonna send me in the water?
You just gotta let go.
You gonna, yeah, just if it's too violent, just let go. But
Yeah, I think I'll glove up.
You're gonna wrestle in that his side.
You gonna do it, Kate?
Yeah, I think I might need to glove up.
Both of his glove up.
I don't know if it's best to base Kel's fish off Sharp's first time messing with the tarpon.
You need the small gloves. You got them little hands.
I wouldn't want Sharp to be killed.
Pitchy.
Yeah. Hurry up, Kel.
I'm working, bro. Trust me, I'm working.
I think we need to pan that storm cloud out there that we're trying to do here.
So you just grab him on the mouth and hold on.
Hold on. Unless bad things happen, then just let go so they don't get him again.
Don't grab the leader and like twist it around your hand or anything though.
Right, don't do that.
And don't hold on to the leader too long if he goes to jump or run or something.
Yeah, we at least want a leader. We just want to touch the leader line. All we gotta do is touch it.
But just touch and let go.
Makes it a gay boy catch. But we're gonna do better than that.
Yeah, Kate, you might want to glove up too.
I will.
I got the pliers.
I was like, I don't want this all on me.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna let this. I'm gonna turn this other shad loose and then come off.
He's deader than a hammer.
Yeah, the big bass video at the end of it, you see Kel's face at the time.
Dude, what the freak?
The freak, he's a monster.
Is he though?
He ain't never been held onto this long. He don't know what to do. He's usually.
He doesn't know what to do. He keeps breathing.
Yeah, I'm about to say, he knows what he's doing. He be breathing.
He's not even jumping. He's
fish
just coming up and going.
Oh, he's breathed like 5 times already.
This is an old fella. He's been around the block a couple times.
Kel gets the old one. Last one was the old one.
Yeah, you know, because mine
He's
are...
gonna have some backwards cars. Oh God. Oh, did he come off?
No, he's good. He's good.
Oh, he's cool.
Oh, I thought he got
He's
me.
like, this ain't working on Ranger. You gonna go at him or what?
Nah, just chill.
We fine. We're cooked.
No,
Yeah, we really are good.
Can't tell we get him both sides.
Yeah, be ready to run for whenever we get the scale. We'll run as quick as we can back to the boat.
I'm being a captain. I'm being a pretty good captain. Daddy's working over here. Look at me. Look at Daddy working.
Dude, those clouds are devious.
Yeah, really bad.
I mean, I quite literally saw hurricane warnings on my phone earlier.
Anybody at the boat ramp was like, look at these idiots. Nah, man, Weatherbug said 25.
Weatherman said what?
Weatherbug
I'm
said
saying that's a hundo. I'm saying Weather Channel was right.
Huh?
I'm saying Weather Channel was right.
Oh, it's 100% now?
Yeah.
They probably changed it. Honestly, they probably changed it by this point.
They said it could happen, you know.
Yeah, possibility. Alright, the boat's pretty much ready to rock.
He's kind of whooping him right here.
Lay that leader down side and pull
Y'all
on
got
him.
the rods down on
Lean on him.
Wrench on him, wrench on him.
Lean on him.
Put that boat
Lean,
Lean.
lean rig,
Lean.
lean rig.
Lean. I
Cage,
don't think
you
it's
gonna
quite
glove up?
done yet. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him.
He didn't breathe that time.
What you gonna do, big dog?
Okay, you gonna go
Yeah,
up?
other way, yep.
He's close.
He ain't, no, he ain't close yet, brother. He ain't even got a boat side yet.
Big dog, what you gonna do? Got a storm, bro.
Yeah, hurry up and give up.
Big dog got a storm, bro. What timer on, Jake? What's the count?
21.
Ooh. This our longest one yet?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well, technically, we had one that was 23. I can't remember which one it was.
It's gonna be our longest video.
Dude, I hear that right.
Nah, I did that last. Come on, big dog. Give up.
Was that shad that you let release?
Yeah, I told you I was gonna let him back out there.
Whoop him.
Come on, big dog. He's trying to get up on this shallow part. They're crazy about that.
I'll get out with him.
He's doing stupid stuff. Maybe go around.
No, he's good.
Sure.
Yeah, he ain't
Trying to
under.
get away from him, but I can't. Here we go, here we go. Now we're swinging, now we're swinging. There he is. Hey, can we lead him?
Can we leader him? He's still 5 yards out.
Leader him, leader him.
Trust me, we know.
I'll touch that thing right here.
Here,
I'll fall in the water and touch it.
Get these gloves,
I'll
Cat.
jump in the water and touch it. But I think legally you gotta do it from the boat. Dive on it. Gosh. Just dive on it. It's pretty dark right there. That might be a storm right there.
I think pull the other way.
Look at this guy running out. That's what I'm talking about.
No way.
That's what I was supposed to full send for the boys.
He's tweaking. Dude, he is dead.
No, put these guys on.
That-
Keep them on, keep them on, keep them on. We got both trays.
No. Dude, you're dead, brother. You're so dead.
No, don't.
He's running past it to go.
Okay, you gloving up?
Dog, it's going that way, Mom. He's cooked. There's no way. That guy's retarded. I mean, we're pretty stupid too because we're out here, but
Video. Hey, we gotta bleep that out.
what?
You can't say the R word.
I said, oh, I did say that.
Yeah, you said it. Don't say it again.
That's okay.
Hey, say yes, daddy.
I'm sorry to all my viewers.
Hey, say yes, daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
This one ain't even going.
Look at it.
This one ain't even going.
God, these things. It ain't going. It probably got full. No, it's good.
Oh, it's leader him. Everybody on this side of the
Come
boat.
on, leader him, Daddy.
Yeah, back up away from him. We're good.
No, we're good.
Leader right here. Come on, big guy.
He ain't ready. He ain't ready.
Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy. Yes, give up, give up, give up, give up, give up.
No, your body.
I'm about to jump in for the leader. Y'all catch the camera. It's gonna be good footage.
Watch it now, watch it now. We're still 30 miles out, we're good.
Oh.
Dude, I kind of feel bad for Bray right now.
Go on, make a kill, that's the wrong thing.
Dude, that guy's retarded.
No, he's saying when he moves. He said they're eating out there, we're going. They don't send that out there.
Bruce got a hurt shoulder and he's trying to do this.
He said, mate. Oh, right here, come on. Come up top.
With him.
Come on. Come on. Huh?
He said no. He's getting his fish.
We might want to put the top up. We're about to get hammered.
Oh,
Where's the dry compartment?
Drilled.
Huh? Where's the dry compartment?
nah. Did he cut this fish to live or not?
I mean, no. We're
Whip
all right.
him. Come on, we
Yeah,
got
come
at
on,
least
come on,
touch
come on.
leader.
Come on, come on.
Do we need to lay these poles or
No.
chickens straight up in that area?
Might be a solid.
So we need ladies there?
Come on, get him here at least touch leader.
If they
We got to
start
at least
moving
get that.
right now. Yeah,
Whoop 'em.
static electricity. I mean, it's here now.
Whoop. I see the weight come up. I'm telling you. Bring him again. Come on, reach on him right there. Yeah, give him a little bit of tension.
Keep your hands down.
Come on, Kel.
Break him or we're going to try to do some stuff?
Touch leader. Just
Break him,
touch.
we're going to try to do some stuff.
Just touch leader at
Huh?
least. Give him one more good pull.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
And we're already in it.
You better be knocking out of it.
Pull on it, pull on it. Touch it, touch it, touch
Hang
it.
on. Get a picture or something.
Alright, go, alright, go, go.
You got it.
Just touch leader at least. Give him one more good pull.
Yeah, there you go.
Driving out
Out
of
of
it.
it.
Not much, but
Yeah, nah, he wasn't ready to be touched.
I instructed you to put the cameras up.
I can't really do it like right now.
Yeah, but if you win, you win. Don't worry about it. Leave it running. B-roll.
Get my hat, Mr. Joe.
Huh?
Get my hat.
Yeah, it's ready for the boat.
Oh yeah, we alright. We can still be.
Give me one piece.
I'm getting yammed on the back right now. I'm getting yammed in the back.
Hey, we might lose the whole box. No, the cut cord. Yeah, damn it. We need that. What is it? Cut cord.
I'll buy a new one.
Now here. Grab it, hey.
Okay. Sharp got it. Keep going.
Keep it down, please.
Yeah. Where am I falling at?
Hey, keep that thing safe. Put it in your pocket.
Where am I falling at?
Hold on,
Yeah, I got it.
keep
I
it
got
safe. You can't lose that. I can't see nothing.
Can we drive?
Run the judge with the camera.
Right there, right there. Put it right a little bit.
Good dry ride. Nice dry ride. This is the wall. Man, the front side of that thing is nasty. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're solid. We're solid. We're solid. Where's my phone? I don't know. It was on this seat. Got it. Oh, look here. We can fish right here. Hey, set up right here. It's calm. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was a little scary. Oh my God! So look at that one going to the ramp. We gotta beat it. Who's got the truck keys ready to run? I got it. We might just leave the boat on the dock for a minute. Just get the truck. That'll be safer. Just tie the boat with anchor line. Hey, a moving target is hard to hit, right? Dude, I can't get a video! Hang down to knee. He's dead. No, hang down to knee. No, he's dead. We're about to sell the use of our fantasy of man and goes missing. They just run around them or outrun them. That's how they do it. You don't wait like that. Ow, salt water in my eye. Ow, 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 ow. I can't see. This is why beach tomatoes. Okay. No, left, left. All right, hell, left. Let me use my real eyes. Hey, right. Hang on, help. You're right, you're gonna beat it. Right there. I got you around that curl. I think it was way out. Oh, yeah, but you're going way too far left. I had it. I'm on the line, goddamn. Now. Hey, can we get this down? How you dub it? Keep recording. Point to your face. Oh, yeah. Hey. Okay. I just running up the program. Beat on the ramp.